So it's me, three-head toy. It looks like we got some new friends over here. Hey, what's this blanket? And why does it have some of our friends? Ah! Oh my god! What the? I better not be coming inside. Oh no. Could this be the dog or could this be somebody else? Probably someone else. Don't see why a dog would put us through a dark portal. Looks like a train station for some reason. I hope Frisbee guy doesn't get inside here. Whee! Oh no! Don't let him freak. Oh no. Hey, I'm still... Oh, crap. I'm getting sucked up again? There's only a few people remaining. Oh, what? Everyone's getting eaten. What is going on? Oh my god, what the heck? Oh no. Everyone's getting eaten up. Oh, it's Pear Toy. Maybe he can help. Boom! Oh my god!
What was that?
Oh my god!
What?
Pear Toy, you saved our life. Shh. I'm not Pear Toy. I'm the ruler of this place.